I want to step away from the markets for a minute because some things matter more. It has been over a year and a half now since the Eaton Fire. The 7th of January 2025, the night the wind came down out of the canyon and changed Altadena and Pasadena forever. 14,000 acres, more than 9,000 homes, 19 people who didn't make it home. And I just didn't want that to pass quietly. Altadena is still here. The mountains are still standing watch. The oaks are coming back green. And so are the people, slower than any of us want, but coming back. If you were affected, if you lost your home, or someone you love, or you're still figuring out what comes next, or if you just know somebody who is living through it, this one's for you. It has been a year and a half, and we are still thinking about you. You haven't been forgotten. Not here. So I want to ask you something, and I really mean it. Leave a comment and tell me where you are in this rebuilding, selling, still displaced, fighting the insurance, waiting on a miracle. Whatever it is, I want to hear it. And I think your neighbors do too. And hey, this shirt I'm wearing is from Made in Dina. If you'd like to support an Altadena business, check the description for the Made in Dina website. Altadena forever. We'll see you out there.